ABL Circuits is an electronics contract manufacturer based in Baldock in Hertfordshire. We specialise in small to medium-sized electronics manufacturing, focusing on quick turnaround and short lead times. At ABL Circuits, we're always trying to make more sustainable choices, and our partnership with Simmtronic is a great example of this. Simmtronic specialise in intelligent lighting control systems, so precision and reliability are non-negotiable. The reason why the relationship between Simmtronic and ABL Circuits works so well is because we have one goal in mind, and that's quality. Managing and stocking and purchasing the correct components is a vital part of the process. One of our new pieces of equipment is our component X-raying machine. What it allows us to do is to kit and de-kit jobs incredibly quickly to a high degree of precision. We can put up to 20,000 components on, and within seconds we know exactly how many they are and how many is on each reel. This then allows us to barcode scan and track each individual component as it goes through the factory. So we know which component's been fitted on which board and also where it came from. First process in the PCB assembly is the solder paste machine. The solder paste machine is actually one of the most vital parts to ensuring quality throughout the process. Getting this stage right is key. Then we move on to probably the most impressive piece of kit we have, the pick and place machine. So our pick and place machine can place 40,000 components an hour. The most impressive thing is actually its accuracy, and this ensures consistency across all of our products. Then we move on to our vapor phase oven. The key benefits of a vapor phase oven is 1, its efficiency, and 2, its quality control. The energy used per cycle is a lot less than a conventional oven. After the reflow process, we move on to our AOI, Automatic Optical Inspection machines. What this does is it takes a laser scan of the board and compares it to the original manufacturing files, and then it can lay these on top and it'll be able to give you exact references of where there are any defects or mistakes on the board. All the data is then recorded, and this allows our rework specialist to come and fix any issues with the PCBs. Throughout this process, the key aim is quality. Now we've completed the SMD process, we move on to our conventional soldering processes. We use a selective soldering machine. Again, like every other process, the reason why we've selected this machine is due to quality. The last part of the process is our final inspection and quality checks. Here we check absolutely everything. We are checking for any scratches or damage that happened in manufacturing, errors that we may have missed. It's just a final, let's make sure everything is absolutely perfect before the boards go out the door. Historically, PCBA packaging is a one-off plastic and single use. Both companies wanted to create a more sustainable approach, which allowed us to work together to produce reusable packaging. Upon delivery, our boards arrive safely. They're ready to be booked in and worked on straight away.
Arrive to us in plastic boxes. After we've used the PCBs, the boxes go back to the ABL factory where they replenish them, clean them out and put more product in it to come here. So it's like a continuous circle of delivery equipment. That's cutting down on packaging. We're proud to have them on the team supplying components to our factory. In terms of delivery, it's fantastic. They're local. It just works, to be honest with you, having that set up.
One of our main focuses to reducing carbon footprint has actually been on the delivery of the PCBAs. We've purchased an electric van, control our deliveries locally, keeping things simple and straightforward, reducing the lead time but reduce our carbon footprint. This allows us to deliver to Simmtronic safely and sustainably.